Hi guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use VoiceOver to add captions to your TikTok. To make your video more accessible, use TikTok auto captions. In this case, this video doesn't have any audio on it. I'm going to do a voiceover. Now to start recording, I'm going to swipe up on the screen to take us to the edit page, or you can click the edit button and it takes you same place to the edit page. Look for the sound button and choose the option voiceover. After recording, TikTok will generate text from your voice. Now after recording, tap done, and then let us go back to the taskbar below and we are going to look for captions. Now this is where TikTok will generate text from your voice. Now you can review it, edit it if needed, and then click the X to close the taskbar. And once everything is good, you tap the red arrow at the top right of your screen or swipe down to close the edit page. And that is it. That is how you use VoiceOver to add captions to your TikTok.